This is our first day back from vacation, and the birds are just having a field day. There's a furry friend over there on the there's the furry friend on the fence. But they have been without food here at our bird feeders for a while, and they are making up for lost time. And they love to feed after a rain. It's been raining, so they look very happy. And we're happy to see them all back. Furry friend is still over there on that. There he is. Can't hear the chirping through the glass, but there's a lot of chirping going on.